What's going on, Bender fam? This is Steven with Trail Benders Overland. I have my buddy Toby here to help me with this install today. We're going to be installing the OPT7 Redline brake light on our 2024 Ram 2500. This will be the quickest install video on YouTube, so let's get right into it. Some tools to consider are wire cutters or a crimp tool, zip ties, heat shrink, and a voltage meter. OPT7 has an optional Redline harness kit for easy quick connect to the 4-pin harness on the truck. When you open up your package, you're going to get your 60-inch light bar. It also comes with a quick connect. Some mounting options that you have are these metal clips. They also give you an adhesive wipe so you can prep your surface, zip ties if needed, and a
heat shrink with solder into it.
Yeah. So you got that. The magnets are not included in this kit. They are an accessory sold separately. Lowering the spare tire will help with accessibility to the factory wiring harness. Inspect the wiring harness and use a voltage meter to determine the function of each wire. I recommend testing the light bar before tapping into the wires to ensure that there is no issues with either the light bar or the wiring that's coming from the vehicle. If you are using the magnets like we are, you'll cut the 3M protective cover and stick the magnets to the light bar. They are an optional installation method that allows users to maintain access to the spare tire component. Since the light bar comes with 3M adhesive pre-installed, using it results in a one-time permanent installation. For those who prefer a removable option or may need access to the area behind the bar, the magnets provide added flexibility. We decided to cut the light bar 4-pin connector off so we can hardwire the light bar into the factory harness from the truck. This is just one way to do the install. Here is the wiring diagram for the 5th Gen Rams and OPT7's light bar wiring. Now you can connect the wires using the supplied wire tabs. Next, connect the reverse wire that comes off the light bar. Lastly, use zip ties and wrap your wiring to protect it from the outside elements. Right? What? And that is the install. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to know how to install quantum rock lights from OPT7, that will be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Also, head over to opt7.com, use TBO25 for a discount, and that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.